What's up, guys? It's your boy Jaime G coming at you on this beautiful Sunday evening. Here to drop you some content to let you know what's going on in the wild, wild west of crypto. Guys, we're going to dive into Dogecoin, briefly give you some levels of resistance and support, get into a couple articles that, you know what I mean, in my opinion, are bullish sentiments and catalysts for the near and foreseeable future. Then we'll briefly dive into a little bit of news on Bitcoin. Guys, hopefully you're having a wonderfully blessed day. Stay safe, chilling with your loved ones, wherever you're at in this beautiful, magnificent world that we live in. Now, I don't want to take up too much of your time, just long enough. And real quick, guys, I will be giving away $150 when we get 500 subscribers and $300 when we get to 1,000 subscribers. Now, if you're not a subscriber, please consider to like and subscribe to that channel. Now, if you want to win some free money, better hit that subscription bell. Now, let's dive right into the content. Okay, guys. Now, Dogecoin is currently sitting at 29 cents, okay, and it is at 0.48% for the day, and it has a 24-hour high of 30 cents and a 24-hour low, guys, of 29 cents. Its market cap is sitting at $38,000.4 billion, and 24-hour volume is at $1.8 billion. Okay, guys, now, and as far as the level of resistance, guys, we've flipped the trend, guys, which means what used to act as a level of support is currently now our level of resistance. Okay, 31 cents was our level of support, guys, right? That's what we were bouncing off. But now we are hitting it as level of strong resistance. Okay, now we need to get past that 31 cents if we want to go to the moon, guys. But nonetheless, we have strong resistance, guys, at 31 cents. Okay, we flipped the trend. Okay, no longer holding as support, it is now our resistance. And now our level of strong support is sitting at 27 cents. Okay, so 27 cents support, 31 cents level of resistance. Now let's just dive right into these articles here real quick, guys, which I think are pretty cool. It's pretty bullish in my opinion for Dogecoin and the meme community. It says Dogecoin news: 9 things to know about the platform bridging Doge and NFTs. Right, there's no NFTs for the meme community, guys, and that's what this company meme.com is doing. It's one of its kind. Now it says Doge is slumping this morning alongside every other crypto play. Meme crypto in particular seems to be widening losses during today's correction more than others. Now this article was from yesterday, okay, guys, so I apologize that it's not current as far as from today. It's from yesterday, but nonetheless it's important news, and it is still pretty current. Now it says, for Dogecoin news of a platform seeking to bridge the memes with the NFT market can help save Doge from further price drops. Now it says meme.com is a new platform that is looking to capitalize on the meme coin trend in a big way. It will, guys, because there is nothing of its kind. This will be the first of its kind, guys. You know what I mean? An NFT platform specifically for meme tokens. This is huge, guys. Now it says, by emphasizing NFTs of meme culture, the website will keep humor at the front of crypto's investing, bolstering the potential for coins like Doge and Shiba Inu. Here's everything you need to know about the Dogecoin news. All right, it says meme.com is currently under maintenance. Once finished, developers are promising it to be CoinMarketCap for memes. Users will be able to track data relating to internet memes to gauge their value. Content around each meme will be crowdsourced by the community. Rewards will be set for the most popular pieces of content, including NFTs and potentially token rewards. Users will also be able to stake their meme tokens for yield farming rewards. Users will also be able to mint tokens on the platform. Guys, this is freaking huge news for Doge and just the meme community in general, guys. You know what I mean? Who's getting the last laugh now? You know what I mean? All right, it says investors are obviously believing that this to be the case. The platform raised $5 million in its newest funding round. Blockchain-centered venture capital funds like Morningstar, Spark Digital, and Outlier Ventures are primary forces behind fundraising. The platform has additional support from crypto influencers, notably Polygon. This is huge, guys. The CEO of Polygon is putting money into this. Obviously, he believes in this, guys. You know what I mean? That is huge news. It says Sandeep Nawali is injecting money into the project. NFTs are one of the best performing assets in the cryptocurrency sector right now. With meme coins in a slump, the project should be a welcome boost. This is huge, guys. This is huge news for Dogecoin, and like I said, for the meme community in general. I think this is bullish. It's all get up for it. Okay, guys, now I just briefly wanted to share this one here as well. Let's go in here too. It says, now whales tired of Dogecoin. Daily transactions value down 93% in under a month. Yeah, guys. Now, you know what I mean? Because whales were dumping it, guys. That's where the price was going down. It went as low as 27 cents, which is our level of support now, right? And but it bounced back up. But nonetheless, this article talks about, you know what I mean, on how whales basically were taking over and selling, you know what I mean, pushing the price down. But now it has stabled out, guys. You know what I mean? If you want to read into this article, you can. It's in Benzega. Go check it out if you want to do your own research. Now here is this other one, news, that I think, you know what I mean, it's a little bit older news. You guys probably already know, but I just wanted to briefly touch on it, right? Why? Because it just continues to show that Dogecoin continues to be accepted. People are starting to believe in it a lot more, and they're thinking, you know, it was a joke token, right? That's what they used to think here on eToro, but obviously they see that there's major potential and utility behind it. You know what I mean? It's got a very strong community behind it as well. It says eToro CEO says the app added Dogecoin because of its large and loud fan base and notes Shiba Inu coin's similar passionate following. Okay, guys, I'm just going to briefly touch on this article here. Then if you want to do your own research, you can go look it up in Market Insider and go read the article yourself. I just wanted to briefly touch on it a little bit. It says Dogecoin has a large, loud and funny community, and Elon Musk. It says Yoni Asi, the chief executive of eToro, which was co-founded in 2007, told Insider that the real question was why it had taken so long. Frankly, because initially Dogecoin was invented as a meme or a joke. Right, I'm gonna stop right there real quick, guys. See, a lot of people thought that it was just a joke, guys, but a lot of people are taking it serious right now. It says it felt to us not sensible for investment purposes. Yet, Asi says eToro ultimately decided that the enthusiasm of Dogecoin's fans, not least Tesla boss Elon Musk, meant the coin had a future and was worth adding. You know what I'm saying? This is huge, guys. Dogecoin has one of the largest, loudest, and funniest communities in the cryptocurrency industries, Asha said, adding that a strong community is a very strong part of every cryptocurrency. He adds, and one member of the community is quite unique on its own, and that's Elon Musk. The Tesla boss has been one of the driving forces behind the boom in Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and cryptocurrencies in general. A tweet from him can send us assets soaring or plunging. Okay, guys, no, that's what I just wanted to briefly touch on that, right, guys? You know, keyword said, you know what I mean? Our community is strong, and we got to stay strong. You know what I mean? And, you know, Doge to the moon. Woof, woof. You know what I mean, guys? So that's what I briefly had on Dogecoin. Now I'm going to briefly finish the video out with a couple articles on Bitcoin. Now, I think these articles are important, guys. Why? Because it shows about possible major adoption and mainstream for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, right? It says Bank of America, Citigroup, Wells Fargo, and they unveil their cryptocurrency policies. Now, you might be like, well, they're just 3 banks in America. Who cares? Well, there are 3 major banks in America, for one, guys. Now, if they start dibbling and dabbling into Bitcoin as well and cryptocurrencies, you have Goldman Sachs, Morgan and Stanley. They already are dipping in, dabbling with cryptos, guys. Right now, if you have the rest of the banks to follow suit, it's just like a domino effect, and that's what we want. We want major adoption, and we want mainstream for crypto and Bitcoin. So that's what this article talks about, guys, about the banks. Now, just them even talking about it and it being a possibility is huge for the crypto markets, you know. So Bank of America, there's you know what I mean, they're sitting back in the cut. They're kind of just observing, right? They're not getting involved in it yet, it says, you know what I mean. But I want to talk about here on Citigroup, right? It says Citigroup CEO Jen Fraser talked about her company taking a measured approach to cryptocurrency as the bank sought to understand changes in the digital asset space and use the distributed ledger technology, including demand and interest by our clients, regulatory developments, and technology advancements. The city executive noted, before we engage with our cryptocurrencies, we see it as our responsibility to ensure that we have our clear governance and controls in place. Citigroup is reportedly planning to launch a crypto service as a firm sees a very rapid accumulation of interest in Bitcoin in March. Citigroup says Bitcoin was at a tipping point and could become the preference currency of international trade. So, guys, they're going to be opening something up. Citigroup. Now, let's dive into Wells Fargo. It says Wells Fargo CEO Charles Schriver said that his company was close to announcing a pilot project using blockchain technology to completely internal book transfers of cross-border payments within our global branch networks. However, in the term of cryptocurrency, he said we continue to closely and actively follow developments around cryptocurrencies. We have emerged as alternative investments products, thought their status as a currency and mechanics of payment remains fluid. It says Doral Crank, the president of Wells Fargo Investment Institute, said last week that his firm is in the final stages of adding an additionally managed cryptocurrency investment strategy to its platform. We think cryptocurrency space has just kind of hit an evolution and maturation of its development that allows it now to be a viable investment asset. The executive opinioned. That is huge, guys. Now you have 2 out of 3 banks that are basically almost on board with crypto. They're in the development stages of, you know what I mean, doing what it is, dabbling in crypto. That is huge news, guys, for Bitcoin and crypto. All right, guys, now here's this last article that I wanted to briefly touch on. Where is it at here? Oh man, where did it go? Oh, I think it's this one here. Let me see here. Oh yeah. See, it says as Bitcoin price flirts around 36,000, whales accumulation continues. Now I think this is huge, guys, because for the people that think that the bull run's over, me personally, I'm not on hopium. I just don't think that the bull run is over yet. I just think we're in a big correction, guys. But I will keep it real. It is possible, guys. Now if Bitcoin doesn't continue to hold the line at 35K at least, it could possibly dip down to 30K, guys. And if that 30K doesn't hold, we're going to go to at least 25 to 20K. You know what I mean? But Bitcoin does what Bitcoin does best, and it proved everybody wrong today, because everybody thought it was going to be a bloody Sunday. And look at the markets. Bitcoin was green, and most of the altcoins were in the green, which is huge. And it's just huge, guys. It just goes to show you just never know, you know what I mean, in crypto. But anyways, I'm going to just briefly touch on this article, right? And I think it's huge, guys, because it talks about how whales are still accumulating right now. They're still buying. They're buying the dip. You know what I mean? Do you think they would be buying the dip if they thought that it was over? No. Now, as Bitcoin enters capitulation, millionaires' addresses continue to accumulate in small quantities. Bitcoin is at a make or break level to decide the next bull run or bear journey. And on the weekly chart, Bitcoin is trading almost on a flat note at around 36K after facing rejection at 40,000. Now, guys, Bitcoin obviously flipped the trend as well, because now the 200-day moving average was our level of support. We would bounce off that 40K, and that was a strong level of resistance, that 200-day moving average. But now the 200-day moving average is our level of resistance, and strong resistance it is, right? We keep getting rejected at that 40K, so it's very crucial for Bitcoin to get past that if we want to continue the next leg up in the bull run. But nonetheless, it can go down to 30K, guys, and if that key level of support don't hold at 30K, you better hold on to your cojones, man, because it's gonna probably dip. But we got to stay positive and believe that it's not like it didn't today when a lot of people thought it was. Now it says yeah, okay, now it says at press time, BTC is trading at a price of 35,808 with the market cap of 670 billion. Now this is crucial right here, guys. It says, however, there's been a small uptick in the holdings by Bitcoin millionaires. The Bitcoin Whales address says holding between 100 to 10,000 Bitcoins has added an additional 30K Bitcoins over the last week. Reports on-chain data provide sentiment. So another positive indicator is that despite the recent price correction, the amount of Bitcoin supply held at the exchanges has continued to decline. That is huge, and that is good, guys. As per another data provided by CryptoQuant, the amount of Bitcoin held by spot exchanges has been on a sharp decline. Now, guys, I think this is crucial and important information, right? It just further confirms that I don't think the bull run is over, guys, and you have whales still buying the dip. Now, this is your boy Jaime G. Hopefully you found this video useful, insightful, guys. Now, if you did, and if you're not a subscriber, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget about my giveaway. You guys stay blessed and have a wonderful Memorial weekend. Until tomorrow, guys, God bless.